know that in college it's tough and you don't have a lot of money. Well, guess what? Today I'm going to tell you 5 reasons why you should start your own independent ATM business right after this intro. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to see you today. And if you are new to this channel, what I do is I help you to make a profitable online or digital business to create passive income for yourself from scratch. You'll see tutorials, all kinds of ideas and great content on this channel. So if that's something that you're into and you want to learn more about, you should definitely subscribe to this channel and hit that bell notification so you can be notified when I upload new videos. So with that being said, let's get on to today's topic, which is what are the top 5 reasons you should start an ATM business today. So what are the top reasons every college student needs to consider becoming their own independent ATM business? Well, the first reason is because you have insider information and you have easy access to things on campus. So what that does is it helps you to easily do market research. So what I mean by that is you can go to different businesses around, you can find out certain information about the businesses, how they operate, learn how the systems, how many people go in there, and all kinds of information. You can easily scout locations. Obviously, you can go around daily on foot. You could find great locations in that area of your college campus because you have that insider knowledge of where people go and what are the actual legitimate businesses that are in that area. And what that does also is it helps you to build rapport with the local businesses because you're going to be able to go in there multitude of times and just talk to the owners and just kind of get your face in that area or in that location of that business, and they get to know who you are, and then that way you can build that relationship with them so that you can connect and build your ATM business from there. So that's the first reason. The second one, and the number 2 reason, is because you can leverage the campus for your own ATM business success. So what I mean by leveraging campus success is you have classmates or you yourself know where people go to eat. So where do they go to eat? Do they eat at food trucks? Do they go eat at this restaurant, this local pizza shop, or some local business? You have that information. If you don't have it, you could easily ask one of your classmates that you're in class with, hey, where are you gonna go to eat there for lunch? Where are you gonna go eat? You know, and that way you could find out kind of where people frequently visit these local businesses. You also know where people go to shop, or you could find that information out. Where do they shop? So of course they're gonna need money to go shop. Do they go to the to the mall? Do they go to like some kind of mom and pop stores? So you can find out where people shop so that you can also look for locations based upon that as well. Also, you get to know about the campus public transportation or transportation hubs. Are people using Uber? Are people taking buses, trains, things of that nature? You get to know how people move around on your campus, which will allow you to be able to also get an idea of where people are going and where they're going to be kind of intersecting, where it could be a perfect place to put an ATM near that location. And what about music festivals? Are there any local music festivals that happen near or around your campus? Where are they at? Where are they located? What times of the year do they happen? Okay, these are types of things that the information that's going to help you out in the success of your business. Additionally, the big one, nightlife, clubs, bars. Who's going to the bars? Where are the bars at? What clubs? How many are there? How far are they? What are the ones that most people like to go to that are in your class or on campus? This information is going to help you immensely in your success of your business. You can leverage that as a college student that other people, it would be more difficult for them to do because you have all that information at your disposal. So let's talk about the third advantage and reason that you as a college student need to start your ATM business. You have close proximity to the campus. You either are in a commuting distance, or even better, you live in an apartment or a dorm that is right there on the campus. That means you can easily go around and hit all your ATMs quickly and easily, saving you time as well, because it's going to be a easy job for you to do while you're on campus or nearby campus. So easy. You see how convenient it is because you're right there. Reason number 4 is because you have time flexibility that aligns with your independent ATM business. Because gone are the days you have to worry about, oh no, man, how am I gonna make the study group? How am I gonna go ahead and take this exam today? I gotta work. Or how am I gonna schedule this class around work? Guess what? It's your job because it's your company. You're the one who controls when you go and you service your ATMs. You're the one who controls your replenishments. You could even have it completely automated if you want. So that allows you to not have to worry about those things. It only takes 4 to 6 hours per week when you're doing it full time, replenishing your ATMs and servicing them anyway. So you have complete time freedom here, and you're also making that passive income while you're in class studying, while you're in class taking your exams. And reason number 5, and the last reason today, is because you are definitely in the mind of every single college student because you are one of them, so you're an insider. What I mean by that is obviously you know when they're gonna need money. You're gonna need why they are gonna need money, because obviously we know with technology today, sometimes that people are gonna use different apps such as Venmo to take care of purchases, whereas there's other places where you're not gonna use Venmo at all, or you can't use Venmo. So you're gonna get the insider information and know those things because you are part of that community. So use that to assist you in the success of your ATM business. So that was it. I hope you liked that. Those are the 5 reasons that every college student needs to consider starting their own independent ATM business. And if you like the video, please go ahead and hit the like down there, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, go ahead and hit that bell notifications. It really helps the channel and it helps me get out there more. It helps everyone see about these videos and it helps everyone learn. It also helps me and motivates me to make more videos for you guys. Okay, so go ahead and do that for me. There's also some cards up here which you can click on and get more information about the ATMs, ATM business, and my training and tutorials are up there. And if you got any more information, you can go ahead and contact me down there on in one of the links in the description. That's it for now. See you in the next video.